Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey, first, my apologies for filming the car, man. My girl just got off a night shift at the hospital, so trying to keep it quiet. I'm usually kind of a loud one. Also, man, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below, I would really appreciate that. Also, if you guys dig these type of unboxings where it's like really a mystery of what we're gonna get, leave a comment down below. You know what I'm talking about in a second, but just definitely do that because I really love these. This is my favorite videos to do always. It's complete mystery, and like I've also been getting into gold lately, so this is right up my alley. Just like trying to like invest. Is that what smart people say? Investing in gold is what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So that's what we're doing today. Bad. Right away I try to talk smart and I'm just like, it just goes right downhill. Let's get into the next segment. So huge shout out first off where it's due. This is sent to me, not sponsored really. They sent me the product, which I didn't even know this existed for this video, so it's not like paid for or anything like that. They are called Gold Exchange. If you guys want to check them out, there's a link down below. Without further ado, let's get into the product they sent and actually what this is about. Like, I think I'm gonna be spending a lot of money on this stuff, bro. Like, oh no. Alright, boys, so we got the package right here. Here's what's up with this, and this is something we all need to know right now. This is like, it sounds like a bad pitch or something like that, but it's really not. I'm so stoked. So pretty much what these guys do, apparently, be doing this regardless for a video otherwise. Just know I'm not doing this for sponsorship reasons. I'm very stoked about this. So what they do, and I'm just reading off their website right now, is they sell like envelopes with gold in them for $50. Now within that envelope, you can get anywhere from $10 worth of gold. So every envelope has gold to like over $1,000 worth of gold. So like a lot of money. Pretty much it's like a gold mystery box is all you really need to think about. There's a guy parked right beside me. That's why if you guys see me looking that way a lot, he's clearly a guy that's just like, yeah, he's smoking a cig. He's smoking a cig. So before he goes home from work, I guarantee you, he smokes a cig real quick. And then his wife's like, hey, were you smoking? No. Did you see me smoking? She's like, no. He's like, well, I didn't smoke. He's like, we're in a freaking park right now. This is a weird place to park and smoke and do nothing. That's exactly what's happening. Sorry, continue, Brad. So anyway, like I was saying, you spend $50, you get anywhere from 10 to thousands of dollars worth of gold. Now, what I'm going to paste on the screen right now, you can pause it and read it if you want, is all the things that you can get in this package. I'll move over so we can do it. This is, no, I can't be doing that. I can't be doing, all right, I'll read it for you guys. I just didn't want to read right now, but I'm a YouTuber, I have to do this. So first off, I'll still place it there. You can get 10K gold beads in display vial. That's the lowest one for $10, they say. 1/10 ounce gold coins for $200 to $400, da-da-da-da-da. I don't want to read anymore. Anyway, pause it if you want to. I'm going back on what I previously said. Just read it. So anyway, there's a lot of options in these envelopes they sell for 50 bucks, and let's see if we score big today. I'm gonna tell you right now, they did not tell me what I have in this thing whatsoever. I'm so stoked, and even if they don't sponsor another video in the future, I'm still gonna probably keep buying because I just like, I always loved claw machines as a kid, bro. It was like, I was born to gamble, but this is gambling with gold, but I don't promote gambling. I shouldn't be saying this. All right, let's get into it. I've been so stoked, man. Oh, damn, they come with a Harry Potter stamp. Let's go. I've never seen one of these in person. Oh, it's got like the gold wax stamp on it. And they're different weights. This is what comes into play right now. Oh, we obviously have to save the best for last. I don't know if you hear that. That sounds like gold beads. So that's the lowest option for sure. This also sounds like gold beads. Oh God. This one's heavier, but also sounds like, okay, we're saving this one for last, sir. I'm just talking out loud right now. So let's get into it. 50 bucks a piece. We got 3 of them, $150, I guess. Let's see how much we get. We're gonna calculate in between each item that we get. Let's start with the lightest one. This one feels like the lightest. I really just want to rip her open right now because I've never played with one of these cool stamps, but I definitely need to keep this packaging for the thumbnail because I think that's very cool. So let's open her. Once again, link is down below. Oh no! It's a card. I don't like cards. They're good. They have info on them, but I don't like reading them. Congratulations and thank you for playing. Da-da-da-da-da. You now own one of the oldest, most valued It's talking about gold. We don't really care. So let's... Oh! And it comes with gold wrapping! Oh, that might be good for the thumbnail too. Oh, shoot. Now that I think about it, that was most of the bulk of the package. So we definitely didn't win on this one, I'm assuming. And we did not. First package out of 3. What we got was, those aren't gold beads. Those aren't gold beads. These are gold flakes. 10 bucks? Oh, it's like not even gold flakes. It's chunks. Oh, it is. Sorry, I was lying there. There are gold beads. They're just chunks of gold, which I've seen people eat before. I've never seen that in my life, but like people like in person, but like people have like gold flake things. Does it taste the same? There's $10 in my mouth right now. It's like a Travis Scott meal right there. I don't recommend this. Don't do that. But I think gold is safe to eat. You gotta keep one of the beads at least. All right, anyway, that one was a loss for sure. But I have heavy hopes for the next one because, not the next one, but the last one that we're gonna open, it seems heavier than any other one. This next one that we're about to open kind of seems like the same as the last one. There's a $10 one right now. What is left in it? We have one gold bead. Keep in mind, boys, gold prices are going, well, they're mad skyrocketed right now, bro. I've been so interested in that, just thinking about when it goes back down again, I'm gonna purchase like as many gold bars as I can and just kind of invest with that. Because that's one thing on the market, you know what I mean? You can't always trust a company, but you can always trust that gold is gonna be worth something. You know what I mean? So I've been really into that, especially with this jewelry stuff. And I think that was some really good info that I put there. I actually didn't sound like an idiot. That was really good. Good job, Ren. Anyway, we know we don't teach on the channel. Let's do another one right here. I want to make this slower, man. I've been so stoked. As soon as it hit me up, I'm like, I gotta do it. Anyway, their link is down below. I know I will be purchasing more of these. We have another one of those cards. Still some gold flake in my mouth. Probably shouldn't have done that. Tastes nice though. Tastes like chicken. Oh, I didn't even know that. It comes in a card. We scored. We scored. It felt like I guess this is what feels like beads. It's not the beads I was feeling. It was this I thought we lost a couple times. Okay, so as we are here, 50 bucks we paid. I didn't pay, but we would have paid. Istanbul Gold Refinery. Gold, 1 gram of gold right there. So that's a block. Wow, that's cool how they do that. It's like a block of, what carat is it? What carat is it, bro? 999.9 fine gold. That's freaking 24 karat. Let's go. This is what I didn't film inside, bro. 1 gram. That's 24 karat gold, 1 gram. What was that? We'll give you the price update right now. Dude, I'm freaking shaking. I'm freaking shaking. What does that mean? What does that mean? So all of their prices on their website are kind of like, it is around this because gold is changing every single day. So I'm looking 1 gram gold bar. 100 bucks! Let's go! Let's go! And it comes in a cool case. Oh yeah, so you don't have to be carrying around this little chunk of gold or like hiding it somewhere because you're definitely gonna lose it. You got a case for it. It's 100 bucks right there. Let's go. 24 karat gold bar. I don't know if y'all can see. That's a hit. That's a hit for sure. That's a hit for sure. That's a hit for sure. Let's get into the lot. Now I'm real stoked because the last one was heavier, bro. The last one had some weight to it. I love this. Are we gonna hit big? I think the biggest hit is like 2,000 bucks or something like that, if I remember correct. Once again, trying to keep this good for the thumbnail. That's the first thing I see, bro. That's a big case. That's a big case. Okay, card. Oh, I'm freaking out. Mostly not for the price of it, but I obsess about stuff, and I think gold is so cool right now, and I want to collect gold bars, which is probably not going to be the worst thing that my girlfriend has heard in a while. I usually collect stupid things I haven't looked yet. We're making sure nothing else is in the package. Nope, just a lot of tinsel. My girlfriend's going to kill me because I'm definitely not taking that out of the car. What's this? We got a gold coin. Is this just like does that mean we won? The hell does the coin mean? What the hell does the coin mean? It's a holographic. It's like I'm freaking doing Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh again, which I kind of dig. Nice throwback. 110. Oh, I remember reading that on the website. How much is this? I'm kind of freaking out. I don't think it's that big of a hit, but I think it's a pretty big hit. I think it might be better than the other one. So 1/10, that would be 1/10 of an ounce. Sorry, we're doing this real time. 1/10 of an ounce gold coins. What's up, honey? Oh, dang. There's also a walking path down here. Oh, nice dog, too. I love dogs, by the way, baby. Okay, so yeah, I knew I saw that. 1/10 ounce of gold coin. $200 to $400. So it's $200 to $400. I don't know really how to tell, but I'm satisfied. That's another freaking win. Let's go! It just looks smaller, but I guess it doesn't. Oh, it's thicker. Yeah, no, that makes sense now. I'm like, this looks like less overwhelming than what it is, but I guess 24 karat gold is worth a lot of money nowadays. Yeah, it looks not sick, but that's $200 to $400 right there. 1/10 ounce fine gold, it says. So that's the 24 karat they have on there. We just we made some moolah, boys. There's somebody driving through here and you can't be doing it. You can't be doing it, bud. You can't be doing it. There's a fence here. Just want to film here anymore. Oh, he's part. He's got a lock for it. It's one of those chain things that stop you from driving, like wood post chain. He's got a lock for it. This dude might be 18. Wow, you're really, that's crazy. You can't be doing that. You really know the game though. Just get him. So you know I'm not lying. Look at him go. This is not creepy at all. Let's just record people as they drive past. Yeah, that. Illegal maneuver! Oh no, he's stopping to talk to me. He's stopping to talk. Camera on, camera on. Camera on. Oh no, he's relocking it. Okay, it's all good. All right, anyway. Boys, that's what we got in this thing. $200 to $400. I don't really know how to tell, but yeah, that makes sense because the last smaller one that we got was a lot smaller than this. So that makes sense for the price. That's cool. I guess we got 350 bucks worth? No, I don't know. You guys do the math for me down below. The first person to do the right math, I'll give a follow. Just put your Instagram down below. Not the first person. I won't do that because I don't want to go down with the comments. The person that does the right math for me and leaves their Instagram down below, I'll follow one of them. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this. I really want to do more of these, especially if you guys are down. So yeah, we can see why that's worth a lot more now. And we also got the gold that I ate. Appreciate y'all for watching. Rick in the game, the greatest of all time. This was a trip and a half. Very cool. Very cool for the collection. This is the first of my collection, but 3 makes a collection, baby. Let's go. Blow.